Here is our sample kit, and this is ideal for 50 tests. And I want to show you how we are running a test. I will run one test in here, and how we do. Here is our master mix. It is an RT, reverse transcriptase master mix. And first of all, we are vortexing our master mix in here. And we get 15.5 microliters of master mix for each reaction. Here is 15.5, and for each reaction, for each test, we use 2 genes. And first of all, for the first tube, we put 15.5 to the first one, and 15.5 to the second one. And then our master mix is ready. This is our RT master mix is ready. And this is the primer for ORF1AB gene. And we put 4.5 microliters of this primer. Sorry. We put 4.5 microliters of primer mix of ORF1 to the first tube. And then we close this tube. And then we again vortex the primer mix again in here. This is the primer for Gen N, and we again put 4.5 microliters of this primer mix to tube 2. And all mix is ready now for one reaction, one test. And we will put our sample from this virus transport medium, and we add 5 microliters of this transport media, which is including our template in here, sample in here. We are adding 5 microliters of sample to each tube for one reaction, and we put 5 microliters of sample again to tube 1, which is including ORF1 AB gene. And this is ready for test for one sample. And yes, we're taking it to test. Now we are ready for testing our samples with our equipment. This is a Genie unit to be used for lamp reactions, and we will test our samples with this Genie unit in here. Yes, we are putting our sample into the wells in here, our strip, and then we are going to select a classic lamp reaction in here, and what we do in here is we do the amplification at 65 degrees for 30 minutes, and it is after that one we are going to check a control, that's the annual step, and it's going to be heated up to 98 degrees and will then come down to 80 degrees and then give us the result. Has started, and you can follow the heat from here, and it's going up, and as you can see it can be used with an inner battery in here, and it can be used up to 3 hours and 40 minutes. It can be used actively 3 hours and 40 minutes, and we will see the amplification in here. You'll see the names of the samples in here. And after 30 minutes we will get the results. And I want to share some results of clinical samples with you that we have done previously, and how we see the amplification. I wanted to show how these amplification graphics could be seen in here, and you see that one. And after the amplification it takes, as I have told, 30 minutes. Then we go to annual step. It has been done in here and shown as in here, as you can see in the graphics, and you can see the derivative in here. And when you come to results, you see both the amplification time in here, and you can also see the annual temperatures in here, and you get the results in this way.